The Newport NV-Series 86-pound trolling kit offers exceptional power and efficiency, allowing boaters to enjoy a quiet and uninterrupted experience on the water. Its lightweight design at just over 30 pounds ensures easy transportation and installation without adding unnecessary weight to your marine vessel. Featuring a 36-inch shaft, 5 LED battery meter, 6-inch telescoping tiller handle, and a 3-blade propeller, this motor provides versatile and adjustable functionality. The sealed AGM lead-acid battery is built with advanced technology to deliver superior power and performance, giving you peace of mind with its reliable and leak-proof construction. With 8 speeds, including 5 forward and 3 reverse, the motor is designed for trolling, achieving a top speed of around 4 miles per hour depending on various conditions. The 12-volt 50Ah deep cycle battery ensures long-lasting power for all your boating adventures, making it an ideal choice for powering your boat's electrical systems.